Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance.
Hello ladies, A1s, day ones, but not the new ones. A birdie told me that the A1s and the day ones want shorter videos. They're like, girl, you said that already. You showed me that. I know that. But that's because you watched all the videos. You've been there from the beginning. Okay, I have walked you through this holding your hand. But there's a girl that is going to find her nail journey today. She needs to know what is going on, what to use, where to get it, how to use it, what it's supposed to look like when you're done using it. But no, not today. They don't want you to know that I'm getting this Cassis Speed Dry Monomer from Amazon and that I be using the No Lift Primer and my nails never lift. They don't want you to know that, girl. And girl, they really don't want you to know that I be using this number 12 100% Kalinsky Dashboard Beauty Brush that I get from Amazon and that there's a code down below. They really don't want you to know that. And I don't think they want me to tell the girls that I be using a thin layer of clear acrylic under all my sets. That way my natural nails don't stain. Now, I don't know if the A1s and the day ones want the new ones to know that you can mix gel inside of your acrylic sets. You can encapsulate gel polish inside your acrylic just to step it up a notch. So I'm going to go in with this flash gel polish and I'm going to put that all over all the nails. So I definitely want these nails to be ombre. So I'm going to go in with a beautiful natural nail bed color. Pick one of your choice. So right here, just to jazz up my set, I decided to go in with another color. I'm going in with a purple color, and I'm going to ombre the nails that are left with this purple. Look at her. Look at her, mama, man. Look at her. So these are the nails. The acrylic is all laid. They're encapsulated. They're beautiful. And I feel like you're missing a lot of information. But if this is what you want, girl, I'm here to give you what you want. So let's move on with our design. So I'm feeling purple, and I went in the treasure chest and got all my purple charms, gems, Fimos, like whatever was purple that I might want to put on these nails. I got it together, girl, and we're just going to basically do like a ombre junk nail. I'm going to file a backside flat with my drill just so it fits on the nail better. Say you got to work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too.
Here you go, you trying to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Coles, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Tim Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Oh, girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can get it. Long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been skimming, Louis, I ain't your body. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important.
Look at her. I mean, look at her. She's so cute. You know, I actually almost tossed this set. Plenty of times I will do a full set, record it, get all the way to the end, not really like it, and snip it off. And I'll be telling myself, I'll be like, are you serious? Yes, I don't like it. I'm going to take it off. And I'll take it off. But I decided to run with it. Just run with it, see where it was going to lead me. You got to trust the process. That's number one, ladies. Just trust the process. You can make this work. We're nail girls. And I got all these charms. You know, extra long, square, ombre, glitter, the color purple, charms. Those are all options in the nail card decks. So you could have easily plucked this set and created this on your own. We've done things similar, so probably it was still in my head. I just know it's a cute look for like a plain base background. But let me know if you want shorter videos like nails already on, get to the point, chop chop, you know, or if you enjoy when I talk a little more and explain a little more and go through the video with you. But what do you think of the nails? Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Go check me out on my Instagram, my TikTok, because you'll see it there first, honey. You'll see it there first, and then you'll know what's coming over here. Anywho's, I love you. I super appreciate you stopping by. And don't forget to check out the nail cards. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.